So another idea that I've got using the boxes is this awesome card, which is a wee easel card. So if I bring this in and set that to the side for the moment, what we've just done is just taken a small card here, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Then what we've just done is this would be how the card opens, as you can see. Then all that we've done is we've just scored down the line there, down the middle, as you can see just there, and we've taken the outside die and just die cut that way. So then, once that's done, that then opens like an easel. So setting that to the side, bringing in just a bit of matting and layering that we've done using the papers and cardstock that comes within the box. We're just then going to place that over in the middle, and we're just going to tape that down. So if we hold that into place like that and like that, then taking the word awesome, what we're also going to do is just sit that in the middle, and just the wee notches at the edges, we're just going to make sure they line up with the bottom of that outside die. And then all that we're going to do is just tape that down, make sure that is secure. And then we're going to bring in our plates, and we're just going to run that one through like this. So as that goes through, that's then going to die cut that inner detail part with the aperture, but with that awesome along the bottom. Removing these, then what we can do is carefully removing these bits and removing these bits like this, tearing that off and tearing that off and removing the outside bits. Don't worry if you tear this inside part, because this is the part we're not going to be using. Then we're just going to use our pokey tool, and we're just going to get rid of all these wee bits here. Then what we're then going to do is right at the edges, we're just going to snip these out just along here. So as you can see, just in this part here, and then this part here is where we need to snip. So we're just coming with the scissors and just snip, turning that around, and also just doing a snip, and then just taking that out, poking these wee bits out like that, carefully not to untangle it. Remove that, then there we go. We are then left with our awesome aperture like that. So if we move that one out the way, then bringing in our card blank once again, all that we're going to do here is just place a bit of adhesive around the back here. So it could be double-sided tape, or in this case we're just going to use our white glue. Give that a good coverage, just a wee bit up to the side there, not much, as that's then, if we unfold that, that's then going to sit like this in place, and then we're just going to marry that up, holding that in, and then we're just going to press just with a wee bit extra pressure, holding that down. That will then give us our awesome easel card. So if I bring that in, there we go, you can see how that starts to come together. Setting that out the way for the moment, just taking some more of the pattern papers and the papers themselves, giving that just a wee bit of adhesive on the back there, using the glue. Another wee bit on the back, and then what we're then going to do is the final layer on the back, which is the green, another bit of glue on the back, and that's just then going to go in situ like this in the middle, pressing that down. Then what we can do is take in a bow that we've already done, and also a sentiment that we've already stamped and we've just mat and layered using some of the papers. And then all we can do is just see where you'd like to place it. So we'll place it in that corner. So all that I'm going to do is just add just a wee bit of glue there and then there. That can then go in place. So if I hold that down just to make sure, taking a hand-tied bow that we've already done and just using a bit of our hot glue like that, and then all that we're going to do is place that into place, holding that down, then just another small bit of glue just in the center there, and then taking one of the petals that also come within the box, then all that we're going to do, picking that up and then placing that on, holding that into place like that. Then if we bring this one in, already done, you can see we've just added some bunting to the side there. So if I bring that in for you to see, there we go. There's another really quick but simple and really effective easel card using the awesome Edgeable die.